Hi guys, Jeff here again from TAP. Just want to show you an interesting repair job we've done with this particular Camry. So this Camry's coming in with intermittent locking issues. So you can lock the car with the remote or by the key or internally in the car. And sometimes the car will lock okay, other times it'll beep twice and say that something's not right and it still thinks there's a door open. So inside the actual latch, inside the door here, there's a micro switch, so the latch has to be all the way back in and it closed properly to happen. But what's actually happening with these as they getting older, this is an old 2002 Camry, is the handle here stays out a bit, so it doesn't retract all the way back in and hangs out a bit. If it hangs out a bit, it doesn't allow the micro switch in the latch to properly close and therefore allow the car to think the door's closed. So it stays out like that, it then thinks the door's not closed and therefore won't allow it to lock properly. So what we've done in this particular case, these parts are becoming extremely hard to buy nowadays. So again, the latch is not retreating all the way back to its normal position. So the spring loading is actually inside the latch. So what we've done in this particular case is actually give it some aiding by putting a small spring into the system to allow that to be pulled all the way back, therefore pulling in the lever on the inner handle. So it pulls it right back in again. So just a little bit of a spring there, just to aid it going back right to its properly seated position, therefore closing that little micro switch, therefore allowing the car to lock and unlock correctly. So a good little fix is these things are becoming, parts in these old girls are becoming harder and harder to find, so we've got to look to ways of fixing the problem without actually replacing the parts. So that's a great little fix that we've got. Again, it's on the website as a repair solution, so if you search for that, you'll be able to find that particular repair solution on the website. So if you are a member, make sure you're utilising those repair solutions on the website. If you're not a member and you want access to this sort of information, why not consider joining up to TAP? So just go to the TAP website, tap.net.au, click up on the Join Up Now button. See you next time.